In the digital age, where attention is a prized currency and social media platforms reign supreme, the story of ByteDance stands out as a testament to innovation and adaptability. Picture a clandestine operation in a dimly lit basement in China, where thousands of smartphones buzz with activity, all orchestrated by a central computer. This is the clandestine world of click farms, where the algorithms of social media platforms like TikTok are manipulated to inflate metrics and enhance visibility. Yet, amidst this backdrop, ByteDance emerges as a beacon of ingenuity, leveraging technology to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of digital engagement. At the core of ByteDance's meteoric rise lies a strategic embrace of machine learning technology. By harnessing the power of algorithms and data analytics, ByteDance carved a path towards global dominance with its flagship platform, TikTok. Unlike its predecessors, TikTok revolutionized the way users engage with short-form video content, captivating audiences worldwide with its addictive and user-friendly interface. This early adoption of machine learning not only propelled TikTok's popularity but also laid the groundwork for ByteDance's expansion into diverse sectors beyond social media. Today, ByteDance stands as a formidable corporate entity, boasting a diverse portfolio that extends far beyond the realms of social media. From gaming and education to enterprise productivity and payments, ByteDance's reach knows no bounds. This diversification not only mitigates risks associated with reliance on a single platform but also solidifies ByteDance's position as an industry leader, poised for sustained growth and innovation. As we delve deeper into ByteDance's journey, we uncover a narrative of resilience and foresight. In a fast-changing digital landscape where trends come and go with lightning speed, ByteDance's ability to stay ahead of the curve is a testament to its unwavering commitment to innovation. By embracing machine learning, ByteDance not only transformed the way we consume content but also reshaped the very fabric of social interaction in the digital age. Seeds of ambition. In a small village in southeast China, a young boy named Zhang Yiming embarked on a journey fueled by an insatiable thirst for knowledge, setting him apart from his peers from an early age. Encouraged by his parents, who held high hopes for his future, Yiming's voracious appetite for learning was evident. His given name, Yiming, reflected the aspirations of someone destined for greatness from humble beginnings. Yiming's path to success was marked by unconventional choices and unwavering determination. When it came time to select a university, he prioritized personal interests over prestige, opting for a location near the ocean and the chance to experience snow. At university, he delved into programming, repaired computers for classmates, and forged connections that would shape his future, including meeting his future wife. Following graduation, Yiming ventured into the fast-paced world of China's internet industry, starting at Kuxun, a travel startup. Here, he was exposed to the relentless pace and fierce competition characteristic of the industry. Thriving in this environment, he quickly climbed the ranks, laying the foundation for his future endeavors. Yiming's journey continued with stints at Microsoft and Fanfao, where he gained invaluable insights into the intricacies of the internet landscape. However, the abrupt shutdown of Fanfao due to government censorship served as a stark reminder of the risks inherent in the media industry in China. Undeterred, Yiming sought inspiration from his time at 99Fang, a real estate portal, where he envisioned the potential of mobile apps to aggregate vast amounts of information into user-friendly feeds. Driven by a conviction that the mobile internet revolution presented a unique opportunity, Yiming made the audacious decision to depart from 99Fang and pursue his vision of creating a company that could impact lives across various sectors. Little did he know, as he stood on the precipice of founding ByteDance, the global impact his creation would have, shaping the landscape of social media and digital interaction in ways he could scarcely imagine. ByteDance's first steps. In the nascent days of ByteDance, Zhang Yiming, armed with an $80,000 angel investment and a fervent determination to ride the mobile internet wave, established the company in a modest 4-bedroom apartment. Fueled by the ethos of rapid experimentation, ByteDance's team churned out a myriad of apps in the early half of 2012, exploring diverse themes and directions. Their initial forays into the app market, with titles like hilarious goofy pics and implied jokes, centered around light entertainment and quickly amassed millions of users. Yet, ByteDance encountered a hurdle in attracting top-tier talent due to the perceived lowbrow nature of their early apps. Engineers and executives hesitated to align themselves with content deemed frivolous or crass. However, behind the seemingly trivial facade lay technological sophistication. ByteDance's adept mobile developers crafted apps featuring continuous content updates and efficient back-end systems, setting them apart in the competitive market. Driven by an obsession with data mining and information recommendation, Yiming recognized the evolving demands of the mobile age. Identifying user struggles with smartphone screen limitations, fragmented time, and information overload, Yiming conceptualized Taotao, or today's headlines. This flagship product aimed to aggregate and organize content from the vast expanse of the internet, utilizing big data and machine learning to personalize user experiences. Though initially met with challenges in securing investment, Yiming's perseverance led ByteDance through a Series B funding round, providing the necessary resources to establish formal office spaces and refine Taotao. As the app's user base burgeoned, ByteDance's ambition swelled in tandem. Yiming championed the power of content discovery and recommendation, challenging the prevailing subscription-based models like RSS feeds. ByteDance's revolutionary approach to content recommendation disrupted the Chinese internet landscape dominated by giants like Baidu and WeChat. Embracing the potential of recommendation engines, ByteDance reshaped how users consumed content on mobile devices. With a deep understanding of machine learning and user behavior, ByteDance heralded a new era in content distribution, forever altering the digital information landscape. Cultivating user communities. In the vibrant heart of Beijing, amidst a gathering of fashion-forward youth, Zhang Yiming, sporting a casual ensemble of a black baseball cap and gray t-shirt, mingled with influencers and content creators. They had congregated to commemorate the first anniversary of Douyin, a short video app that had captivated China and laid the groundwork for what would later become TikTok. Douyin's ascent to prominence was not an overnight triumph but the outcome of a methodical and patient strategy orchestrated by ByteDance. Despite entering the Chinese short video market later than competitors like Quizzo and Meipai, ByteDance devised a multifaceted approach, launching 3 apps, one to emulate YouTube, another to rival Quizzo, and the third to challenge Musical.ly, eventually rebranded as Douyin. Kelly Zhang, a ByteDance stalwart renowned for her adeptness in fostering online communities, spearheaded the management of Douyin. Operating with the agility of a startup within ByteDance, Zhang and her team embarked on a mission to nurture a sense of community among users. By treating a select group of creators with reverence, encouraging user-generated content through challenges and incentives, and scouting for talent in art colleges nationwide, they laid the groundwork for Douyin's success. As Douyin's user base burgeoned, ByteDance leveraged its formidable recommendation engine, honed through years of experience with Taotao. The algorithm's capability to surface compelling content, even from obscure creators, proved transformative. Suddenly, ordinary individuals had the potential to attain viral fame, fueling user engagement and incentivizing content creation. Douyin's strategic positioning evolved in tandem with its escalating popularity. Initially catering to female preteens and young adults, the app underwent rebranding to appeal to trendy urban youth before adopting a more universal stance with the slogan "Record Beautiful Life." This pivot facilitated Douyin's appeal to a broader demographic and facilitated diversification of content beyond music and dance. ByteDance's substantial investment in Douyin, spanning advertising campaigns, celebrity endorsements, and user acquisition, bore fruit as the app ascended to the apex of download charts. By early 2018, Douyin had transcended mere app status to become a cultural phenomenon, its name woven into the fabric of everyday discourse in China. ByteDance's transformation of a modest app clone into a cultural behemoth reshaped the landscape of short-form video in China. ByteDance goes global. In a cramped office nestled amidst Tokyo's bustling Shibuya ward, a small team of Chinese employees toiled relentlessly to introduce a new app to the Japanese market. This marked the humble inception of TikTok's global expansion, a journey destined to see the short video platform conquer nations one by one. With the short video market in China reaching saturation, ByteDance harbored aspirations for international dominance. Thus, Douyin underwent a transformation tailored for the global stage, emerging as TikTok. ByteDance's strategy for global expansion was straightforward yet potent. It aimed to globalize products while localizing content. The fundamental aspects of TikTok, including branding, user interface, and underlying technology, remained uniform across all markets. However, content curation and promotional tactics were customized to suit each specific region, ensuring a culturally resonant experience for users worldwide. As TikTok gained momentum in Japan and other Asian markets, ByteDance seized the opportunity to acquire its early competitor, Musical.ly. The $800 million acquisition in 2017 not only provided ByteDance with a substantial Western user base but also thwarted potential rivals from leveraging Musical.ly to challenge TikTok's dominance. ByteDance's ambition extended beyond acquisition. It sought to export its sophisticated technologies, such as video analysis and augmented reality filters, to global audiences. TikTok's success transcended borders, marking a pivotal moment where a Chinese-made consumer internet product captivated users worldwide, prompting Silicon Valley to take notice and emulate. Integral to TikTok's triumph was the integration of Douyin's back-end infrastructure, which replaced Musical.ly's featured feed with the highly personalized For You feed. This enhancement, powered by ByteDance's advanced recommendation technology, doubled user engagement and unlocked the app's full potential. TikTok's ascent in the West showcased its prowess in fostering music-driven, user-generated video memes. These memes, spanning various genres like reveal, dance, challenge, filter, and concept, democratized content creation and spurred widespread participation. Notably, the viral success of Old Town Road underscored TikTok's ability to propel obscure artists to global stardom. As TikTok's cultural influence burgeoned, Facebook scrambled to counter its dominance. However, attempts to replicate TikTok's success, including Instagram Reels, fell short. TikTok's stronghold lay not only in its technological sophistication but also in its vibrant ecosystem of skilled content creators, a feat that competitors struggled to emulate. TikTok's meteoric rise epitomizes innovation and adaptation to the mobile era's demands. As it continues to amass downloads and captivate global audiences, ByteDance's vision of creating a truly global phenomenon has become a reality. ByteDance's journey represents a remarkable fusion of technological innovation and a deep understanding of user behavior, reshaping the digital landscape in profound ways. Central to their success is the adept harnessing of machine learning algorithms and data analytics, enabling ByteDance to tailor user experiences with unprecedented precision. This emphasis on personalization has been pivotal in addressing the inherent challenges of mobile content consumption, where attention spans are fragmented and user preferences diverse. By prioritizing a seamless and personalized user experience, ByteDance has disrupted traditional paradigms in social media. Through their flagship platform, TikTok, ByteDance has crafted an environment that transcends cultural and linguistic barriers, captivating audiences worldwide. This global reach is a testament to ByteDance's ability to navigate diverse markets while staying true to their core principles of innovation and user-centric design. Crucially, ByteDance's success extends beyond technological prowess to include a strategic approach to content localization and community building. By tailoring content strategies to specific regions and fostering vibrant creative communities, ByteDance has cultivated a deeply engaged user base. This localized approach not only enhances user satisfaction but also strengthens ByteDance's position in competitive markets around the globe. As TikTok continues to captivate audiences and challenge the dominance of established Silicon Valley giants, ByteDance stands as a beacon of innovation in the digital realm. Their journey serves as a powerful reminder of the transformative potential of technology to reshape our digital experiences. As we look to the future, ByteDance's relentless pursuit of innovation reminds us that the possibilities in the digital age are boundless, and the journey of redefining how we engage with technology is far from over. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our loyal community of the Audiobook Summary channel for your appreciative engagement and unwavering support. Your dedication drives us to continue pouring our time, money, and energy into publishing motivational audiobook summaries. Until next time, keep growing, grinding, and seeking wisdom. Thank you for being part of our journey towards personal and collective enlightenment.